Are you ready to elevate your janitorial business? Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, today we're revealing the 5 secrets to land high-paying janitorial clients that can transform your business strategy and increase your revenue. We're talking about targeting the right clients, building a brand they can't ignore, mastering the art of networking, creating killer proposals, and, of course, delivering top-notch service. Stick around because these tips are going to help you attract those high-ticket contracts you've been dreaming about. Let's dive in. 5 secrets to land high-paying janitorial clients. A lot of janitorial businesses waste time chasing the wrong clients. Sure, you can clean a small office or two, but is that really where the big money is? High-paying clients are typically in industries like medical, corporate headquarters, or even luxury real estate. These are clients who have high expectations, but are also willing to pay a premium for consistent, reliable service. So how do you get in front of these clients? Do your research. Look into industries that have a high demand for cleanliness and compliance with regulations. Hospitals, for example, have strict hygiene standards. Tech companies often want their spaces to feel pristine for clients and employees. Identify these niches, learn about their pain points, and tailor your outreach to show how you can solve their specific problems. You don't just want clients who need their office vacuumed twice a week. You want clients who are willing to pay for specialized services, like post-construction cleaning, window cleaning for high-rises, or detailed sanitation in a healthcare setting. Next, let's talk about building a strong brand. A lot of janitorial businesses overlook this part. They think their work should speak for itself. And while it's true that delivering great results matters, in today's competitive market, your brand is what gets you noticed first. High-paying clients want to work with professionals, not just anyone with a mop and a bucket. They need to trust that you'll deliver. That's why you have to invest in your brand. And no, that doesn't just mean slapping together a logo and calling it a day. Your brand includes everything: your company name, your website, how you answer your phone, and even the uniforms your staff wears. It all needs to look and feel professional. So here's a quick actionable tip. Make sure your website is not only clean and modern, but that it clearly communicates what makes you different. Do you use eco-friendly products? Do you offer a satisfaction guarantee? Make these selling points obvious and easy to find. And don't forget to include testimonials from your satisfied clients. Social proof goes a long way in building trust. Now on to secret number 3 networking techniques. You've heard the saying, "It's not what you know, it's who you know," right? This is especially true when it comes to landing high-paying janitorial contracts. Referrals and word of mouth can open doors that a cold email never will. So, how do you network effectively? First, get involved in local business organizations, Chamber of Commerce events, trade shows, or even property management meetups are all great places to connect with potential clients or people who can refer you to those clients. It's not enough to just show up, though. You have to be active in these spaces. Offer value, make connections, and let people know exactly how your services can benefit them or someone they know. And don't forget about online networking. Platforms like LinkedIn are gold mines for building relationships in your industry. Connect with decision makers, post valuable content that shows your expertise, and engage with their content. You want to be top of mind when someone in their network is looking for janitorial services. Secret number 4, creating custom proposals. This is a game changer. High-paying clients don't want a generic quote. They want to feel like you understand their business and their specific needs. This is where a custom proposal can set you apart from the competition. Instead of sending the same cookie-cutter proposal to every potential client, take the time to tailor each one. Visit their facility if possible. Understand their pain points and address them in your proposal. Be specific. Show them how your services will make their lives easier, help them comply with regulations, or save them money in the long run. And here's the kicker. Make sure your proposal is well designed and easy to read. No one wants to dig through pages of text. Use bullet points, highlight the key benefits, and include a clear call to action. Remember, your proposal isn't just about listing your services. It's about selling the solution to their problem. Make it clear why choosing you is the smart decision. Finally, secret number 5, delivering exceptional service. Okay, you've landed the client. Now, how do you keep them long-term? The key is to go above and beyond what they expect. High-paying clients expect high-quality service, But if you can consistently exceed those expectations, you'll secure long-term contracts and even increase your rates. Here's how to do that. Stay on top of communication, follow up regularly, and always be looking for ways to improve your service. Maybe that means offering to do a free deep clean once a quarter, or providing them with updates on how you're improving efficiency. But here's the trick. Don't wait for them to ask you for these things. Be proactive. This will not only impress your clients, but also show them that you're committed to a long-term partnership, not just a one-time gig. When you consistently deliver exceptional service, you turn clients into advocates. They'll refer you to their network, which brings us full circle back to the importance of networking and referrals. It's a powerful loop that keeps your business growing. So, there you have it. The 5 secrets to landing high-paying janitorial clients. Focus on targeting the right markets. Build a strong brand that exudes professionalism. Network like a pro. Create custom proposals that speak directly to client needs. And always go above and beyond in delivering service. Want more tips to grow your janitorial business? Hit the subscribe button and join Dan the Cleaning Man for more strategies that'll keep you ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.